Welcome students. Let us have a look on this problem which 99% of the students fail to understand. Now what exactly fail to understand? First of all, they don't know where to begin the problem. Individually they know the concepts, but how to apply those concepts in the problem is the real problem. And only the top layer students usually do this type of problems, and 99% of the students think they can't do this. Actually this problem is easy only. You have to first understand the mechanism. As I always keep telling in my video lectures and all that, that unless you understand the mechanism involved in the problem, you cannot solve the problem. Okay, so in the given figure, if I have to explain, there are three blocks are there. This is block A, this is block B, and this is block C. Okay, now needless to say, this block is moving down because of gravity. Okay, let us say it is going with acceleration A. So it is not going with acceleration g. That's a common mistake students commit. It is not going with g. We don't know at what acceleration it is going. It is going with a. Now because the string every point is connected, so this is also going with a. Here we need to understand that the block A is going with acceleration a downwards with respect to the ground. All right, in the vertical direction. Obviously, the acceleration of the block B is a with respect to the ground only. Between block B and block C, there is a connectivity. They are touching each other. So there is a relative motion. So block C will be moving in this direction. Why? The reason for the block C to move in this direction is that in the horizontal direction, actually there is no net force. Okay. So the center of mass remains constant only. So if one block is moving in this direction, the other block has to move in this direction to keep the center of mass in the keep it aligned. So here we need to understand what is the acceleration of block B with respect to block C, because there is a relative motion. So acceleration of block B with respect to block C will be given by acceleration of block B with respect to ground plus acceleration of ground with respect to the block C. So this acceleration of block B with respect to G is A, and if I consider as positive direction, so because let us say the acceleration of the block C is C, so I have to write here minus C because I'm writing A as positive. So this is A minus C. So this point is clear now. So for the block A, if I write the free body diagram, it will look like this. So T force will be acting upward, that's the internal tension. And the block A mass has been given as 4 kg, if I'm not wrong. So 4g, the weight of the block will be acting downwards. Now block A here is connected here. So a horizontal reaction will be acting in this direction on the block. And will this block A, what type of motion it will be? It will be having a vertical motion as well as it will be having a horizontal motion also, because it is connected with pulley here and the pulley is experiencing a force T. So this block will experience a net force in this direction. So in the horizontal direction we can say net force is equal to mass into acceleration. So we can say H is equal to 2c, because the acceleration of the block A in the horizontal direction will be c only. So that is one equation. The second equation we can write in the vertical direction, because the block is moving in the downward direction. So we can say 4g minus t is the net force is equal to mass into acceleration, which is 2 into a. This is equation 1, this is equation 2. The third equation can be obtained with block B. So if you write the free body diagram for block B, it will look something like this. So block B is here. So it is going with respect to block C, it is going with a minus c. The mass of the block is 1.5, and in this direction T force is there. So I can write a T is equal to 1.5 into a minus c. This is my equation 3. And finally, if you write the equation for the block C, on the block C, we can say that T is in this direction. See, this horizontal reaction is on the block A. On the C, if it is in the right direction here, it will be in the left direction here. They are always equal and opposite, right? They act in pairs. So you can say that T minus H is equal to 4C. Okay, solving, I'm not going for the algebraic part. If anyone interested, you can comment me. Okay, now solving all these four equations, these are simple equations only, you'll finally get the, he's asking you what is the value of x actually. And he says the acceleration of block C is x by 4. If you solve all these four equations, you get the value of x as 5. Comment, are you getting the same value or not? Okay, thank you very much.